Senator Nwobodo appealed to General Buhari to quickly reunite Nigerians as the voting pattern in the last election showed a great divide across ethnic and religious divide. Emphasizing that campaigns and elections are over, Senator Nwobodo assured the president-elect that the Igbos will support and cooperate with him and the government in moving Nigeria forward. He reminded General Buhari that Nigerians, irrespective of tribe, tongue, and religion, are his responsibility and should be given a sense of belonging. Senator Nwobodo also congratulated President Goodluck Jonathan for his sportsmanship in conceding defeats. In Enugu, Amaka Onoima, NTA News.